Ange-Marie, what are you wearing?
I am wearing something simple.
Yes.
Today it's all black. Black jacket in leather.
Yes.
Black pants.
Now, who are the brands or whatever?
Okay, this is Gérard Darel.
Ah oui, d'accord.
This is a vintage jacket. This was for my mother when she was younger, like really, really young.
That's your mum's jacket?
Yeah, so...
Wow. Gérard Darel have some big celebrity models who advertise for them, right?
Yeah,
like Charlotte Gainsbourg and those kinds of girls?
Yeah, I love it. I love it so much. It's so precious for me.
Definitely.
I'm gonna keep it for my daughter.
I love
Soon.
that.
No, not soon. In like 10 years or 15 years.
Elle jeans?
Jean from Topshop.
Wicked. English company.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cheap. Good.
Cheap.
How much?
Good. $80.
That's quite expensive.
Yeah, it is.
What do you think about it? That's not so cheap at all.
You know, you have to have a good black jean, you know,
course.
something that you can
Staple.
wear.
You models have to wear that every day or whatever,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah. This
Le
is
cardigan?
from ASOS.
ASOS, yeah.
I like the coupe because it's...
Asymmetric?
Yeah, asymmetric. It gives a little something, you know. I have my glasses that they are from Dior.
Christian Dior?
Christian Dior, yes. I
But
love
it's
them.
now Dior, isn't it? I think it's now just Dior. It used
No,
to be
it's Christian Dior.
Is it still Christian Dior?
Yeah, it is.
Is it literally written Christian in there?
No.
It's Dior, isn't it? Thought so.
That was just Dior. And my bag from Topshop.
That's a Topshop
Yeah,
bag
I
looking
know.
like a...
All the time that I said,
Wow.
people are like,
That's
no,
a
it's
fake
not
alligator
from... Yeah.
bag, man.
don't-
That
we
looks
don't want to,
expensive.
like,
I
kill-
thought that was
Yeah.
expensive when I
Me
picked
too,
it up.
when I
'cause
saw it.
It had weight. It had heft to it.
Yeah. I like it a lot. The tie,
Yeah,
it's from another bag that
strap.
I put.
Oh,
yeah, the strap. It's from
that
another
works
bag.
well.
So-
I love your glasses too. You look very studious.
Thank you. And I have my Doc Martens,
DMs.
so you can rock it a little bit.
On the pavement,
You know,
you can pound the pavement, go into
Yeah.
your castings.
you're comfortable, you can move, you can run.
Exactly. Wicked. Thank you so much.
Thank you.